What is going on, guys? Browser here, back with another video. Hope you guys are all having a great day today. Today we're gonna hit up a meet called Snow at Sunset, I believe. I don't know. I'll throw the flyer up along with the people who are supposed to be there as like special guests, I guess. It's in Irvine. We're 20 minutes away, stuck in traffic. Typical LA traffic / OC traffic as well. But
OC right now.
Okay, OC traffic, whatever. But yeah, I'll pick up the vlog or the video once we get there. We are here, but the parking situation looks like a shit show right now. Got another C6 right here, and then you have this boosted Viper. Oh my god. Oh my god, he did. He made the whole freaking car vibrate, bro.
That should look cute. Looks like scary vibes.
I don't know where the hell we're supposed to park, bro. This is bad. This Viper sounds so crazy. How much horsepower do you think it's pushing? Damn. Alright, like from the last clip, obviously we made it. We parked right here. The Viper parked over here somewhere. The meet is across the street. There was no damn parking. Wide body Hellcat right here. Damn, look, you have one Jarrett right here, and then you have a crop duster over here. Sheesh. Look at these views, bro. Sheesh. This is like straight up SoCal right here. You got the sunset, you have the cars. Yeah. Bam.
No, it's M2. I don't want it.
You don't want an M2? This thing's nice. I've been talking about M2s too.
I like M2.
White GT3. M4. Get your car. And we got cops here on foot. This is like Beamer. It's like a whole Beamer meet right here. How many Beamers are here that have BBSs? What? This thing is badass, huh? M4. Carboned out the whole front, bro. Shiny ass BBSs. Even on video, they look shiny as hell. Side skirt carbon. No, yeah, the wing. It's not like obnoxious. It's a good size. Sheesh. GTR over here, parked away. Damn. Another Beamer. BBSs, of course. Exposed. More Beamers, bro. Literally Beamers everywhere. Finding next Z06. Color on this thing is crazy. Shiny ass wheels. I believe this is Fresh Kicks Z. Big ass turbo. Damn. This thing is badass. Here inside the shop you have KG's M3 carbon wing on BBS's, of course. Bro, I want to act like that. I wonder where he got it from. Oranged out on the inside, even the roll cage. That Beamer pillow. Sheesh. This thing is nice. Bro, this M4 is crazy. I like the inside. That's like orange. Carbon, of course. Damn. More BBSs. What the? This is what I wanted to do with my car, but like, I don't know. Looks, no, it doesn't look good. No, damn, I don't know. Missing headlight on the G80. I think's fast for sure. We're literally in Beamer heaven. Oh, Kirby, of course. BBS is too. I have proof if this will smack someone. Damn, everyone's trying to leave. Oh, I don't know how he's gonna squeeze. Oh shit! I would not risk leaving right now. I'd be scared too. PQ. Look at this thing. This thing's like the size of my head, bro. Carbon hood. This is for sure fast, bro.
So pretty.
That's that one food. I forgot. Is Jay? This is his car. Jay's car. Damn, rip. Ooh, boosted vet. 6'2", where you at? M2. I need one, literally in this specific color too. Want one. Twin right here. I want those headlights, bro. About to snatch them. JK. Yeah, all these OC billionaires. Fabian's V. Sir. What is that? Sir. It's not fair with these Beamers, bro. V8. No video of the hood? Hey, pop your hood. Pop your hood. I want to see. Bro, I think everyone is obsessed with like matte black. Matte or satin. Look at pink R34 T's. This is the RA I was following at first. You know, Tech wrap.
It's just an aura.
Right here on TEs. Jeez. Is this a CS? Babe? It's a CS?
Yeah.
That's your car right there. Oh shit. All four. Damn. Fenders, front bumper, the hood, steering wheel.
It's like you.
This was light as hell.
It's
No, I'm missing
Beamer
the,
form.
I'm missing the bumper and hood. What do you mean?
It's on the way. Maybe.
Okay. Alright, you have Daniel's C6 right here too. Carbon rears and fronts, but he has a front wrapped. Cammed. I wonder if this thing's cammed. Second car I see with lights here. Kind of glad I didn't do it. I saw so many cars do it this year. Yeah, you just see them driving around normal. Even like regular cars too. There's carbon right here, the front splitter. Exposed intakes right there.
GT3?
You know, oh, GT3 parked all far. What? Dirty ass wheels. That'd be me.
Remember how dirty
Oh,
yours was?
yeah. What's this guy's excuse then? M2. Then he has a whole carbon trunk and diffuser. Look, see what I mean? Matte, satin, whatever. Look at this Camaro's wheels. They're like,
Damn.
they're glittery. I thought they were dirty. Another Camaro. It looks like Irvine PD's here helping with the parking situation. Yeah, like traffic control. Damn. R32, same color I've been talking about. I wish my uncle never sold his. Damn. Oh, squad pulling up. I thought he was parking. He made me move out of the way. Oh, well, well. Street runners. You know this thing's fast. Yep. Have a damn parachute in the bag. See, JR built too. That's right. Another M4 comp. Yeah, that thing's went completely silent. DEs, carbon fenders. Yeah, it looks like some people are leaving already. Sunset views. These are crazy right now. Man, the wheels are crazy on this beam right here. What does this say right here? Can't even read that.
I thought you just did a.
And the carbon fibers like rainbow. Looks sick. Montana plates on the R34. What is Beamer? Rose spec right here. That's rose spec. The color? Yeah. Bro, there was an M4 right here. Or I think it was a M3 actually. It was like trying to come into the driveway and he was like 3 tiring it and he got stuck. He just took off. Oh shit. TEs on the GTR. Wait, more TEs. Sheesh. CS. They have a McLaren tossed out here. I wonder why. He should be inside. Carbon buckets on the inside with red padding. Bro, I love the wheels. My god. 600 LT. Are you serious with that plate cover? Yo, despite there being cops here, people are still doing pulls like dumbasses. They're not doing anything yet. I feel like if there's cops on scene, you should not be doing anything dumb.
That means like cops in the area are like aware.
Yeah. Because then they call the cops that are not here around the area. And then that's when they just start pulling people over left and right for like anything. You have tint, you're gonna pull over. Your car sounds slightly modified, you're cooked. Oh my god.
I just love M4.
It's like a green, huh? The plate, wow, gapped. This Viper sounds insane, brother. I need a Viper in my life. When I was younger and I didn't know anything about cars, I used to confuse this C6, my car, to the older generation of these a lot. This used to happen a lot. We're bouncing. My fat ass is hungry and she has to use the restroom, so.
No, it's because you're hungry.
No, we're bouncing because, oh my god. We're bouncing because she has to use the restroom and I'm taking advantage of that. Bug it. See what I mean? Another car with Christmas lights. Yep. I don't know. I have to come up with something more creative if I'm gonna do anything for Christmas, but yeah, fuck it. Alright guys, we are back at the car meet after some Mickey D's. We got Mr. Teleport back there. Crispy back there. We're back at the meet. Looks like we have some cars, some new cars that showed up. We have this orange Z06 right here. It sounds beautiful. I think it's badass. Look at the wheels. Each individual is orange. Another C6. GS. And then the C7. Z06. And here we have a M3. On BBSs, of course. Beamer stuff. Matching roll cage. This thing is, what is it, babe? 1 of 4?
Yeah.
It's real paint. It's real paint. It's a 1 of 4. Look at that. Actual paint. It's not wrap. That's crazy. Carbon fiber side skirt. Side mirror caps. Damn. This thing is badass. I like how the inside is matching. Even the seat belts, babe. That's crazy. Bro, we're trying to, well, this was trying to leave. Ro and Fabian are trying to leave, but they're blocked in. I'm all the way down there, so I'm chilling. I'm straight chilling. But you have Costum and Kevin are here. Jeez. Bro, we finally found a clearance. Look at small ass gap. I'm at that guide this for like back and forth. Oh yeah, you could do it. Easily clear it. Look at this. Alright, they finally made it out. Last one out. Red battle. Little rev battle. C6, C8. I want a Z06 so bad. You can't tell me that doesn't sound like a Ferrari. Blindly, you hear that shit from afar. All right, you guys, I'm gonna call it a day right there. I did not record the other side of the meet again because I would literally be recording the same exact cars as earlier. So yeah, we're gonna dip. I'm gonna record another video in like 4 hours. We're gonna do another Mexico run. Oh wait, I didn't get a post yesterday's video. Damn. But we're gonna go to Mexico tonight. That's gonna be next video, so keep an eye out on that one. But I'm gonna call it a day right here. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.